Hello friends, you're welcome back to our channel, the Chima Distributor channel. Here I want to share with you an income opportunity with Multistream. Now what I want to show you in this video is some car award won in Multistream, and what you are seeing here is exactly how it happens every single month. People are winning all of these things, these awards, these are ranking awards and all that. So I'm going to show you just a few of them, and I'll tell you what it takes to be a part of Multistream. If you are not yet a Multistream member, you are losing so much. I'm going to tell you a few reasons why you must be part of Multistream. If it's a short video, well, please pay attention. So you can see this one now. This is, we'll call it a Jade. Yes, of course, you don't just wake up and qualify for this award. You must have to start one place. And I'm going to tell you where to start. You start from a stage. In the course of your growth, then you can get to this level. Now, this is 6 million naira. That's what you are having here. This is called Jade Award. So that's 6 million naira. Let's look at another one. Now look at this one. It's also 6 million naira award. That's the rank. Look at the username of the person. So that's it. Now let's look at this one again. So these are the 3 awards. But remember, it's not only this. We have higher awards. We have lower awards. In fact, the lowest award is on 70,000. That's the first award. When you qualify, you win in Multistream. And now for some of us, you might think, how do we win this? It's so difficult. It's not difficult. It's not because of the money you put in. I'm going to show you exactly how the journey to this award starts and how it's easy to win. So let's look at it right now. So I'm going to show you this. Now, the question is, what is Multistream? Multistream is a network marketing business. As I'm talking to you now, actually it's headquartered in Nigeria. The entire states of Nigeria are involved. You have a lot of service centers, superstores where you have their products. It doesn't stop there. Most African countries like Cameroon, Ghana, and few of them are part of it. As I'm talking to you now, Multistream products are in UK, in Canada, in US, and some other countries are opening up. So that is, it's now becoming a global business. So you can join from anywhere. Now, what does this take to begin to get this award? Because that may be what attracted you to this video. It starts from a single journey of joining this business as a distributor. Look at it. Now, this is the simplest one, entry package. But I'm not going to tell you to join entry package. No. If you want to start, you want to show that you're a bit serious to start anything, then you need to start with Flexi Pack. I'm going to explain to you what this is all about. Now, actually, before we go fully into these packages that you start, the question you'll be asking is, what product is this company dealing with that people can make crazy? Because if you are into network marketing, a lot of people avoid network marketing because they feel that, nah, it's difficult. I'm going to be walking around. I tell people, you are not walking around. If I have my time to explain this, you have to be convinced. You see there's no way you will not do this business. Now, this company has only 2 products. These 2 products, we'll call them, we'll have them, I'm going to talk about one of them. Just let me show you. Now, look at this product. Look at it. This one is called Ginger Herbal Extract. It's a herbal drink. This herbal drink, when you look at this place, you see all the things, health situation is settled. Actual of it true. When you see this, you are going to doubt it. You are saying it's good. It's not true. That's what you say. You say it can't be. How can one product be taking care of ulcer, goiter, stroke, pie, excess weight, hepatitis, cholesterol, fracture, arthritis, kidney problem, liver fat, heart issues, prostate cancer, every kind of infection, fibroid, fertility problem, low libido and all that, diabetes, and malaria, tumor, indigestion. You can see Parkinson's disease, even eye challenges. If you're wondering, it's not possible. My friend, everything you see mentioned here and beyond have been taken care of Ginger Herbal Extract. So the product is so hot. It's a wholesale that once you buy it and use yourself, or you just register, buy one or two, use yourself and give to someone that is sick, one. What the person will tell you later, you have started this business. You will see people will say, bro, sister, do you have that product again? And that's where your business starts. It sells itself. It sells itself. I stay in Port Harcourt. Anytime the Lagos headquarters releases batches in Port Harcourt, we have more than 14 or 15 service centers in Port Harcourt. What is being released in all these service centers are, I don't know how to mention it. You see a load of trailer, much more, not one, not two, bringing product in Port Harcourt. But before the second day, you won't see any product again in all these service centers. People have bought them. And the same way in every state, because the product is a wholesale. Pharmacists are selling. If you're a pharmacist, you have to be part of this because you're going to make crazy money. But they say higher price than what the company recommends, because when people come to them, I'm sick, they sell at any price. That's how powerful. This product, look at it. Herbal drink for weak erection, pie, glaucoma, stroke, cataract, menstrual disorder, STD, insomnia, ulcer. This is what the product is. We have the smaller one and we have the big one. So I'm going to show you exactly from what you can see a lot of things it does. So let's quickly go back to what I was talking about. What you are seeing here is so many ways, 13 good ways to make money from here. But remember, I'm just talking about just one of them, which is that ranking. But that is just the little, you are not just a startup. We have different major ways you now make money. Now look at it. The entry pack is 8,700. If you decide to say, okay, I just want to try with the entry pack. This one, when you register with it, you are going to get only one small bottle. But that is where your growth has started, because you're going to earn 6 PV, point value, for that one small. If you can buy it to use it for yourself, so they can see how it works. But you have become a distributor for the fact you are registered as a distributor, and that's the distributor's price. You register. Now, you will have a flexi pack. This flexi pack it costs 28,000 naira, and it has 24 PV. That one comes with 2 big bottles of this ginger herbal product. Another product that the company produces is what we call Iru herbal soap. That is everything called skin disease. It doesn't matter the name of that skin disease, it clears it. But I just want to talk about ginger now. So that is exactly how this one works. So if you start with this flexi pack, which is the one I recommend for even if you don't have much money. Start with this. You have 2 big bottles. Now, where you again start is that because the company recommend that you sell each big bottle for 16,640. So the 2 big bottles you are going to sell it at 33,000 plus. So by registering with 28,000, you're already making 5,000 plus profits, direct profits. Now that you are now becoming a distributor. Now you have a booster pack. It costs for 7,300, 3 big bottles and 1 small bottle, having 42 PV. And when it comes to matching bonus, which is another way to earn on Multistream, PV matching bonus starts at that 42 PV. So imagine if it happens that you restart accounts, let's say 3 accounts. Maybe your first account can be anything, even if it's flexi pack. Then you register 2 boosters left and right. You make the direct profits on your first account, second account, third account. You still make direct bonus on second and third account for your first account. Then you are still going to make matching bonus again, because you have 42 PV here, 42 PV there. So just by rating 3 accounts alone at a go, which if you have, let's say, let me assume you just have 100 and something thousand, let's say 47,300 for 7,300, that's around 100K and plus 28, so around, let's say 130,000. Can start with 3 accounts. Flexi, booster. Do you understand? And the money you make instantly, with all your PV, with all your growth there, you won't believe it. Then if you have bigger money, we'll tell you how to do this business. It won't make sense that for you to have 284,000, you go to advanced pack immediately. Yes, this advanced pack will give you 264 PV, 22 bottles. But someone who is starting new, who wants to do real business, you cannot do this. With this money now, you can even register decide to register 5 accounts, yes, you might just go for booster 3, 5 boosters. This amount will be enough. In fact, if you decide to use this small amount to register 7 accounts, which is powerful, you have account 1, 2 and 3 will be under 1. Then 4, 5 will be under 2, 6, 7 will be under 3. You create complete 7 accounts. This money you can do it. There's a way you can arrange it. Some of the packages will be flazy, some will be booster. You make crazy commissions on top, crazy commissions, because the system permits that you can have 1,000 accounts under your system. So build a team. So it is not the one that says you must refer anybody. You don't need to refer anybody. If you are in a place like pharmacies do, they are selling this product. All they need, they register, they are buying products. So instead of buying directly, anyone they want to buy, they register as an account under themselves, on an old account, so they can earn commission. Apart from earning profit on that product, they still earn commission as having referred somebody. They're building a team. And it's this team also that qualifies you for the rank I showed you as you are building that team. So you may not refer anybody. If you have the money, you use your money and do the business. You don't need to refer anybody. It's the product you are buying. You are, instead of just buying products, register it as if you are registering yourself. The system permits you can register unlimited amount of yourself. The same name, the same account number, nothing like it shouldn't be. The same email account address, the same phone number, the same bank account, the same name, everything is permitted. So it's a question of, if you have money, then you register multiple accounts. And you can see the price, like I said. Look at standard pack. It's 130,000 plus 120 PV, 10 big bottles. This 10 big bottles, if you are selling it as 16,640, you are going to sell it as 166,000, but you are registering at 130,000 or 131,000. You can see already the profit, indirect profit you've made, not even anything. You understand? That is how it is. So whoever that brings into it, make a commission of close to 20,000 for doing that. Now, advanced pack, they will give you to the 2 big bottles. If you multiply 22 by that amount, 16,600 or thereabout, you know what it is. But you are buying this at 284,000. You are going to make crazy profits, almost over 50,000. What is 50,000? You are much more than that on that direct sales for this. And this is a Flourish 1.122750 naira, and it's 7 big bottles and 1 small bottle. So once you are ready to join, you can contact me. I show you exactly the way this thing works. Let me show you how it works. Very simple. It's a very seamless business. It doesn't matter where you are. You can be in Lagos or in Abuja. Tell me you want to join. All I do, I give you the account number of the company, or if you trust me, send to my own so that I can pay it directly, so that I can confirm that yes, it's paid. But I can give you account number of the company where you pay. Once you pay the amount of money, I register you, because you can't, the way it's the same was, you can't register yourself. If you go into that system, they will link now their website. You won't see register. What you see is login. So it means that it's for those who are already registered. So somebody who is already a member must be the one to register, because it's the one that fill the information and place you either left or right. And when you start doing your own, the same thing you do. I have a video that guides on this. Now, when you register, when you send your money, then the person registers you. All those products you buy, you are using to start up your business. You know, you can buy this product, you don't want to join the business, but you want the product. No problem. If you do that, I collect your money and register new account under myself. I won't just go and buy product. I will register, yes, I will get you your product. But I register on that. But if you want, we're exposing you to do business. You register as a business-based distributor, then I register you. Wherever you are, even if you are in Abuja, I will tell you where you go to Abuja. Once you go there and use your details, just call the details of your whatever. They look at their own and check the details correct. That so details, purchase them, and they give you products. So the company is not expecting you to carry cash going to service centers. No, when you go to service centers, all you need to present, I bought this. Though I was in Aba, I bought it, or somebody in Aba registered me. Look at my details. Once you go there, you pick your products. And there's no state in Nigeria where you don't have service centers. Here in Port Harcourt, we have more than 15 places. So anytime, anywhere, you can go and pick your product. That's how fantastic this business is. So this is how the journey is. Remember, I told you, what I told you about the rank is just one out of 13 great ways to earn money in Multistream. It's a world of earnings. It's a word of earnings. If you are someone who has money, for instance, you have money to start with this flourish, 1 point something million. If I want to teach you, the biggest mistake you make is to start with flourish. Just no, you can't do that. With that 1 point something million, you can create 15 accounts. Yes, it may be a big man. You say, no, I want to put it big. No problem. Then put more money and create 15 accounts as a go. You are going to see the kind of profit that will blow your mind. You will say, where is this one coming from? Because with that 15 accounts, your number one account will earn not only direct commission, it will earn multiple matching bonus. Your account 2 and 3 will do the same thing. Your account 4, 5, 6, 7 will do the same thing. Your account are you getting it? It's going to be crazy. And as the ones that are earning, the main man number first account will earn double. You know, it will be left, right, left. Some of us who understand it, so that's how it works. So it's a crazy. And it's these things that now qualifies you for those ranking we're talking about. So, like I said, even if you are not bringing in people, register, use your money. As long as you are selling products and you want to buy more products, use the money and register accounts yourself to grow your team. You can have multiple names yourself alone. And before you know it, your first account has qualified for ranking, you start earning real money. And that's how this business works. So if you are not yet doing multi-stream business in Nigeria, your eyes have not yet opened to real business here. I want to encourage you, please join this business. If you don't have money enough, start with that small. And one thing about this business is that the products you are selling, even if you say, oh, I can't sell, please start with that flex bag and buy 2 bottles of this ginger. Use it. You just use it yourself. What is it? People are spending money in the hospital now. Use 2 ginger for you and your family for that 2 weeks time. Those 2 big ginger or 1 month. Use it. And you are the one that is right to what that product can do. Then you can confidently tell others, my dear, if you really want to heal on this particular sickness, I have a product for you. By the time the person gives you money, now register account under yourself and give the person this product. And business has started. That's how business starts. So I'm going to stop at this point. Please, if you have a question, use the comment box. You can also reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Let's talk business. I'm a very simple person. I'm a very honest person. Anywhere you are in Nigeria, you can do this business. Even if you are abroad, I can help you run this business. It's a very lucrative, it's a very good one. Please, let's talk business. If you are new to this channel, help us to grow by subscribing. You're going to bring updates more on this and other ways to make money online. And I encourage, if this video makes sense, please give us a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to others. I wish to stop here. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.